superstars, it's your girl Miss Bollywood, and I have a very special guest with me today. It's Jenny from the blog.
Hi.
Welcome to my channel. Today we thought we'd do something a little different, and we will be covering Kylie Cosmetics here. A little late on the bandwagon. I know it's a super popular trend right now, but it took us time to collect all of these colors.
Yeah, so I have 8 colors here from left to right. We have Love Bite, which we're already wearing, and we'll show you a close-up later. And then we have Dolce K, Ginger, Pumpkin, and Spice, True Brown, Mary, which is from her holiday collection, and then Leo.
Alright, so without further ado, we are going to do a close-up with the Love Bite. For me, the color appears darker as opposed to Jen's lips where it looks a couple shades lighter.
By the way, if anyone was wondering what we used to take these off, because these do not come off on their own. Nope.
See?
We use a little bit of coconut oil and some paper towel. Never hurt nobody.
It just glides right off.
So the next color we have is Dolce K, and as you can see, it doesn't really suit my skin tone, but I think it looks a little bit better on her. She's a little bit lighter than me. On me, it looks very ashy, and I thought Dolce K was gonna look a little bit darker, but it doesn't. But I think it looks good on her because it's like the perfect nude. What do you think?
I actually love it. It's my go-to lipstick. I just throw it in my bag, and you know, if I have to refresh it at work or whatnot, it's my favorite. It's like the perfect nude. It suits my face. If I want to dress up and just go with the natural look, I go to this, and if I want to, you know, dress down and go with a natural look, I go with this. So I can't live without Dolce K. I'm very picky when it comes to wearing a nude color. I think it should match your complexion. Jen believes anything lighter than that will give you duck lips. So Dolce is a yay from me and a nay from Jen. Okay,
so the color we have on right now is
Ginger.
Ginger.
Ooh. To me, Ginger is similar to Dolce K, maybe a shade darker with an orange undertone. Jen seems to rock it better than me.
So this is
Pumpkin. Pumpkin has a slight rusty orange hue, but is similar to Ginger. I personally wouldn't wear this, but it's one of Jen's popular choices.
So this is Spice, and just real quick, I was very hesitant when ordering it because I thought it was going to be very bright and it was not going to look good, but I was pleasantly surprised. It dries down dark, and it's actually one of my favorite colors.
I actually really like this one too.
Yeah. It looks good.
Looks good on you.
Thanks.
A little spice for someone nice. This shade is a mix of magenta and red, creating a gorgeous purple. This is Jen's go-to and my new favorite.
So this is True Brown, and it's an actual True Brown. Everyone thought I was a goth when I went to this party.
They were like, why is she wearing black lipstick? Because it appears like she is, but
yeah,
it's a really
brown.
dark
It's
brown.
just dark brown.
This is my first time wearing it, and I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. It's kind of like this 90s vibe that I'm getting, because back in the 90s we used to wear, like, you know, the dark blues and the dark browns. Sometimes they would like outline your lips with brown lip liner and just clear like lipstick or lip gloss on top. It was a trend.
Close up. We're in the 2000s, so.
Flashback to the 90s with True Brown. I can't get enough of this color. Although it may come across as having a tint of black, people always ask me what I'm wearing. Oh, it also looks fabulous on Jen and I. Okay, so up next is the Mary. It's from Kylie's holiday collection. And I absolutely adore it. Yeah, love, adore, because I just put one coat on. Like, I didn't have to go back and just, you know, see that there's some white or showing. So, and it dries super fast for some reason. So this is one of the good ones.
And I really like this because I feel like Mary Jo, on me at least, would be too much of a bright red. So that's why I like Mary.
It's got like a little bit of a red hue to it, but it's still nice. You could probably rock this for a New Year's party. If you're out for the holidays and not a fan of bright red, this one is for you. It has a subtle punch of red with a burgundy blend. A definite thumbs up from Jen and I.
Last but not least, well, the last lipstick at least, is Leo. Yeah.
What I like about this lipstick is it's very, it's like a dark velvety color, but it's very bold. So if you want to wear it, you gotta wear something that's maybe like a white dress or a white top like Jennifer has on, or anything, as a matter of fact, that is just neutral if you want your lips to stand out, and do some like smoky eyes or something. This is like top notch. This one is for those who want to make a statement. It looks fantastic on both lighter and darker complexions. For better results, be sure to select a neutral colored outfit if going with Leo.
Okay, so what I just did is I put this. What do we got here, Sue?
It is the Jolly from the holiday collection.
And it's a lip gloss.
It's a lip gloss, so it's not a matte lipstick.
And I just put that over Leo, so I didn't take Leo off. I just put it over Leo, and that's why my lips might look glossy.
But it gives it a very nice finish, yeah, for sure. And she's going to try it on alone. And
we'll show you what that looks like. So this is what Jolly looks like on its own.
So what I recommend is putting a little bit for just that shine. The thing about the glosses is it's not like the matte lipstick, it just stays on. The glosses tend to get all over your teeth and your mouth and gets very messy. So I hope you enjoyed our collab video, and there's more where that came from.
You can keep an eye out for another 2 videos. We're going to compare real and fake Kylies, and then we're going to compare Kylie and ColourPop, because I realized ColourPop colors are very similar to some of Kylie's.
And that is a wrap. So much love from me to you. You want to try it?
Okay.
So much love from me.
Much love from me
to you.
To you.
And then you kiss. Mwah. Miss Bollywood. Out.
Jenny from the block. Out.
What up? Let's go.
You just ruined the video.
You just
Bye.